vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I now invite our Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Professor Donna Whitehead, to speak. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduands, honoured guests and congregation, croeso mawr I chi gyd. Today is an important day for many reasons. It's a chance to celebrate your achievements with your family and friends, to bring a symbolic close to your endeavour to achieve your qualifications, and for us, as a university, to welcome you into our community of graduates. We are always immensely proud to do that, and each year, this is the day that we all look forward to the most. The last couple of years have been different, with our day-to-day routines and interactions turned on their heads. Our ability to be human to the fullest extent, to see each other and share the joys and challenges of our personal journeys has been stressed and tested. Throughout that time, we endeavoured to be a source of constancy when so much else was uncertain. We gave each other structure, classes to attend, even if they were virtual, schedules and deadlines to meet, assignments to hand in and exams to take. A reason to keep going and to move forwards. We were able to do this because our roots as a university are strong. In our purpose to prepare you for the world outside the walls of our campuses and to give you opportunity. And since the establishment of our founding institution in the 1860s here in Newport, to use education to help solve the scientific and social challenges of the day. With a constant purpose, this university has prospered through periods of significant social change, periods of global conflict, and now a global pandemic. And throughout that, we have added to the ability of our region, nation, and our international community to remain resilient and prosper because of the talent that we produce and the research that we undertake. There is no denying that your story of university life has been different. It may not always have been what we collectively expected or wished for, but it has certainly been memorable. And you did it. Despite all of that, you all did it. You completed your awards in probably the most difficult circumstances experienced by any graduates for many years. And that is testament to your tenacity, resilience, and your abilities. It's those qualities, along with your qualifications, that you are now taking into your own careers and lives. You are making your own mark on the world like thousands of USW graduates who have come before you. Thank you for all of your hard work and dedication. As I start this ceremony in this wonderful venue, I want you to remember three things. First, today is your chance to celebrate your achievement. Second, your achievement is down to your hard work and tenacity. And third, and most importantly, we are all incredibly proud of you. Da iawn chi. Diolch yn fawr.
Der proi ganghello, der proi is ganghello. Da pa radidigion, gwestiwn, anredus a pawb. Mae'n bleser gennyf goflwyno yn geisydd tailwng iawn ar gyfer dyfannu cymrodoliaeth yn rhydydd Prifysgol de Cymru. Pro-Chancellor, Deputy Vice-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests and colleagues, it is my pleasure to present a very worthy candidate for the award of an Honorary Fellowship of the University of South Wales. The University confers honorary degrees and fellowships on outstanding individuals who are true leaders in their field, with this honour inviting them to become part of our academic community. Our honorand today is a proven leader with decades of experience leading major public organisations in Wales. He was head of Health and Voluntary Sector at the Welsh Language Board for 8 years, joined Stonewall Cymru as the Wales Director in 2010, and led Stonewall Cymru's contributions campaigns including for equal marriage, reform of the Wales Gender Identity Service, inclusion in sport, and inclusive education and workplaces. Importantly, during his 10 years leading Stonewall Cymru, USW engaged with the Stonewall Workplace Diversity Index. We found Stonewall Cymru to be a wholly positive organisation to work with. He and his colleagues were helpful, supportive and non-judgmental. USW rose from nowhere to 24th place on that index, the highest placed new university in the UK, just prior to the pandemic. And I wanted to pause here and say thank you to Andrew and his Stonewall team and his colleagues who were a joy to work with and helped this university immensely on the way. We are very grateful. Our honorand is active in Welsh public life, has served on several networks including the Third Sector Partnership Council, Welsh Government Strategic Equality Board, the End Youth Homelessness Cymru Steering Committee. He's also a member of the Welsh Language Partnership Council. He was on the steering group of the British Institute of Human Rights for the UN Periodic Review. He is a member of the Gorsedd of the Bards and is a community editor of LGBTQ magazine. During the pandemic, Andrew has also learned how to sew and now owns too many shirts. Our honorand is now the Welsh Director of the National Lottery Heritage Fund, which he joined at the beginning of lockdown. He met all his colleagues originally on MS Teams and Zoom, and after 18 months of the pandemic, he discovered, much to his relief, that his colleagues are three-dimensional. And since then, he has been 80 foot down a ventilation staff, met the Prince of Wales twice, driven a steam locomotive, been out on the Irish Sea, witnessed a shark autopsy. I'm not sure if those two last things are related. But since 1994, the National Lottery has raised £43 billion for good causes, and the Heritage Fund has distributed £8.3 billion of that to 49,000 heritage projects across the UK. To give you some context on how our honorand is rooted in South Wales, he told me when we talked last week that he'd been stumbling around the Borough Arms in Cardiff city centre. To be fair to him, they were his very first stumbling steps, age 1, as his parents were the landlords. He went to secondary school in Bridgend and now looks out of his window in Llanharan in Rhondda Cynon Taf, where he lives with his husband and son, and he can see the house where his grandparents and his great-grandparents lived. Our honorand remembers hugely benefiting from Middle Morgan's very successful youth choir, and remembers it, as do many, many others, as a fabulous opportunity to grow as an individual. Soon, university loomed, the big city, the bright lights, Lampeter, where he completed an undergraduate degree and later a postgraduate award in management studies, and then an MSc at Cardiff University. It's hugely impressive, particularly to me, that our honorand became a fluent Welsh speaker in his early 20s, starting from scratch, age 17, largely self-taught. Our honorand describes himself as having the mining and industrial heritage of South Wales in his blood, and a seminal moment for him growing up, and one that helped form some of his views, was the miners' strike in 1984. The connection between the LGBT community and the striking miners was later immortalised in the 2014 film Pride. So, in closing, our honorand is an accomplished communicator, motivator, inspirational leader. He believes in community and solidarity, campaigning for the rights of others, whilst he is deeply rooted in the socio-economic history of South Wales. He has been able to make a very significant contribution towards a better future, and whilst he is now responsible in his current role for preserving the past for future generations. Proi, Ganghellor, pawb. Mae'n bleser mawr gennyf gyflwyno'ch I chi am dyfannu, cymrodiaeth yn rhedus I Brifysgol Andrew White. Pro-Chancellor, Congregation, it is with great pleasure that I present to you for the award of an Honorary Fellowship of the University, Andrew White. It is with great pleasure that I award you this Honorary Fellowship of the University of South Wales. Congratulations.
Diolch, William. Caredig iawn yn wir. Dibro Ganhellor, Dibro Is Ganhellor, darpar raddedigion, gwesteion anrhydeddus a phawb. Diolch o galon am yr anrhyddedd hael iawn yma. Pro-Chancellor, Deputy Vice-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests and colleagues. Thank you very much for this generous honour. It's a true privilege to accept today and not just an excuse to wear a fancy gown and gap, although I've got to say that does have its upside. I want to say Llongyfarchiadau and congratulations to each one of you here in the cheap seats today on your amazing achievements. I've been asked to share a few words of wisdom. I will try my best. I tried to think about what I might have said to myself at my own graduation 30-something years ago. At that ceremony, it was Sir Anthony Hopkins who was being awarded an honorary fellowship, so my apologies first for that. But given my time again, I might say don't be such a fanboy, although I do now have an autographed copy of my own graduation programme. So in terms of my wisdom for what it's worth today, I want to give you my 4 B's guide to getting on. Firstly, be ambitious. You're here today having already achieved at least one academic ambition, but that's not the end. Today's the beginning of another chapter, the next chapter, one to have thirst for, one to be ambitious for. And I want to tell you, don't let others or society define that ambition for you. It doesn't have to be grand, it can be modest, but it does have to be yours. As a gay man from a working class family in South Wales, university was not for people like me. So I'm hugely grateful that I got to go in the end. Grateful for my friends, my family and my colleagues who allowed me to dream, who helped me achieve and encouraged my ambitions, grand and modest. And that brings me to my second B. Be collaborative. Perhaps the most important thing I've learned in my working life was to ditch the notion of heroic leadership. No one achieves in complete isolation, be that from campaign wins to policy changes to the challenges of family life. Every one of those requires teamwork, openness to challenge, and a thirst for inspiration from others. So in this spirit, I accept today, in gratitude to those I've had the honour to work with over the years, especially at the Language Board, at Stonewall Cymru, and latterly at the Heritage Fund. Whatever you achieve, and I believe you can all achieve great things. Remember, feedback is your greatest currency. So take it generously and spend it wisely. My next B is be imperfect. The truth is, for all the advice I give you today, I'm not actually very good at these things all of the time. Some might even say most of the time. I often fail, and that's okay. Essentially, I'm telling you, go and do as I say, not as I do. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to miss. This is how we learn and develop in life and in work. Don't let the fear of failure stop you trying. As someone wiser than I once said, don't let perfection be the enemy of good enough. Clearly, if you're graduating in a highly technical medical discipline or aircraft engine design, please ignore this particular piece of advice. Do not fail. My next B is be authentic. And this is where it gets personal for me. On a personal level, I want to thank the most authentic person that I know, my husband, up in the gods there. my pride and inspiration. He's a reminder to me daily of consistency and of change. In the 30 years since we met, he's been with me through thick and thin. And in those years, the world has changed beyond all recognition for LGBT folk. We are now married, middle-aged parents. I often say that fact is extraordinarily ordinary. Simon, thank you. You're my world. I love you. And my final thoughts are with yourselves, or rather, being yourselves. Being anyone else, let's face it, is just exhausting. Why bother? You can't change who you are or the experience that have shaped you. So embrace these and respect that others might have different experiences and outlooks. Monotonous workplace cultures create monotonous results. Embrace difference. Embrace change. And be who you are, always. To my trans and non-binary siblings, to those who are immigrants, to the women in the room, to those whose society disables, to my friends from the global majority, I want you to know today that Twitter's not our friend. That history tells us that too often those with the largest megaphones are often a tiny, albeit powerful minority. I want you to know that in real life, in work, in education, there are many, many allies, many of whom I've had the privilege of working with alongside here at the University of South Wales. This university aims to change lives and our world for the better, and I wish each and every one of you success in doing so. I invite all of you to begin your careers as your authentic selves, as vocal and active allies to others, and to flourish not in opposition to, but in concert with, the rich and diverse range of people you already know and those you have yet to meet. Be ambitious, be collaborative, be imperfect, and be your beautiful, authentic selves. Pob lwc a llongyfarchiadau I chi gyd. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Gadawch iddo ffordd yn hysbys I olora bryffysgol ac I bab sydd I mewn bresennol gynhelio'r cynulliad o Bryffasgol de Cymru yn Ninas Casnewydd ar ei unfed ar ei hugain o Arfanaf 2022. Heddiw, yn trwyddeddyn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy ei dieithrwydd o hymdrech ysgolheigaeth. Ei bar yn gymoes I gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graffau a hymestyrau Bryffysgol. Trwy yn trwydeddi ei cyreithiad, Gadawch i'r eini sydd I mewn bresennol. Cythnabod a hymroemiad a dathlu ei hlwyddiant. Byddsoddyn a'n gobeithion a'n disgwyladau ynfynd, gan obeithio I byddant yn rhoi a talent a disgebron o proffesiwn yn cymunedau. Hyderwyn I byddant yn confrannu a thifodol a'n cymdeithias gydag a'n trydedd a clod. Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 21st day of July, 2022. Today, we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities, and we trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction. Diolch, and thank you.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. Victoria Stevens, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Towards Images of Supply Chains in a Sustainable World, a conceptual exploration of metaphor for sustainable supply chain theory development. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Hevin Rowlands and Dr. Lee Matthews, Faculty of Business and Creative Industries. The Master of Business Administration, Simisola Omojalade Adanuga. Chiramel Avaran Jose Antos. Umesha Madarangi Dehewala Kankanamlagi. Sithija Madushan Silva Ethige. Emily Lindsay Irons Young. Wazim Jahangir. Rachel Sean Jones. Mira John Plamutil Chandi. Kisharan Shakthivil. Annalisa Martinez Ulat. Tom Kenneth Villanueva. Philip Whitfield. The Master of Business Administration, UNICAF, Hazim Mohammed Mustafa Abdul Hamid. Abimbola Atanuki Adewaye. Emilia Aginola. Rafael Uzoma Akano. Harriet Senam Inibra. Oluwatoyin Rafiat Atanda. Sunday Mayomi Awayemi. Nana Akosua Asantewa Blay. Marika Chang. Horace Cole. Donette Donnery Copeland Brown. Camelia Hamachi. Becky Njdika Ibiamekeni. Olga Lukyamuzi. Calvin Takudzwa Mandivavira. Ronald Mayambala. Mahmoud Al-Bayami Ragab Muhammad Mustafa. Caroline Mahadia Magodo. Mwaka Nachalwe. Olalade Mujidat Ojo. Alphonse Nguji. Ebiene Ezenwa Sika. Ezra Zaytoun. The Master of Business Administration in Global, Idowu Shun Adebisi. Emmanuel Oluyemi Adeteo. Damilare Joseph Adeyamo. Mohammed Razul Ahmed. Mabuba Akhtar. Obina Victor Amanze. Tahira Khatoon. Oluwa Tomisin Leke Gubadebo. Shad Mubushta. Divya Natasha Christine Mohan Diramgi Dona. Peter Olawale Olawalawa. Shinal Neil Patel. Abdullah bin Siraj. Vijay Lalakshmi Yarapa Holo Vanahali. The Master of Business Administration in Global Finance, Forhad Ahmed. Satyavani Bodo. Chetna Cherazia. Ignatius Evans Gomez. Herath Mudian Salage Nadisha Hiroshini Herath. Sandan Samira Dhamarathna Ihala Galanje Gidara. Arsan Jamil. Pavithra Randimal Hetiarachi Meha Heti Ari Arach Chige. Pubudu Rangana Sampath Rathnayaka Mudiyan Salage. Abdur Razak Topu. The Master of Business Administration in Global Human Resource Management, Farhad Ahmed. Riddhi Pranav Bavsar. Sultana Farida Chowdhury. Kriti Debnath. Ikhthiyar Hossain. Lanuka Kugan. Fatima Akhtar Priya. Musamat Mashida Sultana. Ekanayaka Mudiyan Salege Chatmulali Yudhishika Delwita. the Master of Business Administration in Global Marketing, Sai Teja Akuthota. Mohammed Mahmoudul Hassan. Mohammed Jafar Iqbal. Don Diresh Asela Jayasekera. Mohammed Sazlu Mir. Syed Mohammed Tusif. Shadab Wahid. Saranga Priyadashani Wejir Singh. The Master of Business Administration in Global Supply Chain, Mazhurul Anwar. John Enitan Gabra. Mohammed Sajal Ahmed Joni. Basil Jose. Dilani Gayethri Mudumali Kekulawage. Muhammad Iqbal Hussain Khan. Ishani Madushika Aburathni Kuropo Apu Himalagi. Hashan Aravinda Mathers Nambu Hewa. Mohammed Junaid Mir. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Parth Kumar Chodavadiya. Mohammed Abu Saeed Hussain. Ruchira Nalin Chathurunga Pereira Kudamaje alias Wanariachitigi. Archana Saju. Amira Tamam. John Williams. The Master of Science in Financial Services Management, Jamie John Cox Bynum. The Master of Science in Health and Public Services Management, Robert Brunnock. Joanne Clements. Vanessa Hughes. Rachel Hunt. Caitlin Jacob. Trudy Jones. Helen Luton. Katie McPhee Collins. Ian Morgan. Alexander Wallace. The Master of Science in Human Resource Management, Olukemi Ajiboye Ajidahan. Anu Anthony. Precious Adana Anukam. Maria Do Carmo Bras Brazal. Rebecca Gulliford. Fatima Arusia Haji Marika. Paige Harris. Ben Hewer. Rasha Ismail. Chiamaka Llewellyn Iwu. Alvira Janath. Sarah Naomi Jones. Emily Kinch. Susmitha Vasu Marasi Vasu. Nazir Zizdan Ibn Muhammad. Belinda Amarachi Ogbuji. Nadiba Rahman. Catherine Sims. Mohammed Nabi Yunishad. The Master of Science in International Business and Enterprise, Oludapo Oluwasian Hafalumo. Temitope Taiwo Ajayi. Mohammed Jahed Chaudhry. Jude Obazegi Etu. Faith Ochuole Oledupopu. Sumaye Akhtar Shilpi. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Bharath Chandran. Patrick Akahaman Ebadi. Mohammed Zahid Hassan Shon. The Master of Science in Leadership and Management, Christopher Horn. Amy Williams. The Master of Science in Management, Sathyan Alagarathnithan. Favor Oganagwe Ayemeye. Emily Clark. Ogeche Inita Dem. Chaturika Priyadarshani Ekanayaka Mudia Salangi. Mohammed Akhtar Hussain. Janaka Mudusanka Hewayalala Laya. Sandan Jainath Kahangama Kahangamege. Babashola Adarinsola Lawal Rabana. Suma Mahmood. Jafar Ahmed Mohammed. Muhammad Abdul Mohit. Muhammad Koirul Alam Rafi. Asini Pramidtha Lianage Rampati Lianage. Watsala Saranji Ranathunga. Indo Kabra Zwingina. The Master of Science in Professional Accounting with Association of Chartered Certified Accountants Tuition, Emira Hester. The Master of Science in Project Management, Bolarinwa Joseph Akunwumi. Michael Ayomidi Falade. Vivian Chilenwa Oji. Sanchit Sanjay Saxena. Kyle Smart. Vincent Chukwumeka Uday.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol a Cerdd a Drama Cymru. That's right. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. A national conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor's and Master's of Music degrees at the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio yn ein cyfr ni heddiw mai, Royal Welsh Wind, a byddant yn chwarae fest fanfare and Aber medley. Raddedigion, gwesteion, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to Royal Welsh Wind.
The Master of Science in Strategic Leadership, Health and Social Care, Jade Bory. Sally Brown. Lisa Edwards. Hilary Hyatt. David Kerr. Faye Morgan. Suzanne Rogers. The Master of Science in Strategic Procurement Management, Ben Duggan. Cadelo Victor Frank Towell. Adiemi Olalade Jayasimi. Jennifer Kenwright-Jones. Olajuwon Moses Olatunji. Uyi Harrison Osawe. Joanna Powell. Jordan Thomas. Lauren Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Business, Kelsey Asinda. Maria Loredana Ionescu. Natalie Claire Patterson. Jane Elizabeth Summers. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Management, Belpre. Hibak Ahmed. Abdul Razak Alaudi. Sophia Athanasio. Owen Blackman. Keanu Chung. Alexander Coombs. Thomas Samuel Cotter. Benjamin Crew. Jordan May Davidge. Ryan Fleming. Ahmad Ghafoor. Eleni Gregorio. Holly Hayward. Madia Irfan. Akil Irshad. Megan Johns. Angel Jones. Kamdeep Kaur. Jun Ming Lai. Chelsea Leader. Georgia Lynn. Ethan McMahon. Charlie Ann Morgan. Rhys Price. Zhongtong Ren. Aisha Robus. Akshi Sharma. Sophie Louise Staples. Helena Vittoria. Fionn Louisa Webb. Aidan Joseph Willis. Kieran Woodman. Hannah Laura Woodrow. Fraser William Worth. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Accounting and Finance, Prabhash Devinder Bandara Alawathagoda Rathnath Gadara. Chang Gao. Anharad Hynam. Celinda Wirawardhana Miwala Arachiliaki. Justina Sandra Onamauso. Isara Nethmal Rathnayaka Panakura Gamaralage. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Accounting and Finance, Gower College, Swansea, Atlanta Jade Coates. Lauren Jane Pritchard. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Human Resource Management, Jassim Abdullah Al-Bawainan. Nabiha Salman. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Marketing, Sohail Nazir. Charles Temitope Olatunde. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Merthyr Tydfil College, Edmilson dos Santos. Gavin Edwards. Caitlin Louise Evans. Emily Gardner. Caitlin Elizabeth James. Kean Jenkins. Jay Jones. Ryan Morris. Bradley Stewart. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Supply Chain Management, Hamad Ali Al-Mari. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Ahmad Al-Haddad. Kim Kehoe. Aizaz Khan. Hasnan Khan. Selina Alzina LaRue. the Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, European College of Business and Management, Berlin, Justin Brahms. Lena Elfers. Michelle Entridge. Alexander Oliver Robert Gabasek. Ivan Jose Gomez. Philip Gramkow. Francisca Lau. Enno Lutchens. Frederick Matfeld. Marie Schoenfeld. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, European College of Business and Management, London, Leah Can. Ben Clark. Brooke Connell. Helena Crump. Carla Francisca Frank. Jana Lisa Freed. Marina Froelich. Mia Gladman. Gabrielle Mason. Lisa Lienia Mayer. Alexander Probst. Molly Roberts. Lauren Crystal Shell. James Walters. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Studies, European College of Business and Management, Stuttgart, Selina Deuschel. Lorena Ferrucci. Larissa Maria Gertz. Valentin Nothus. Celine Chiara Shop. The Bachelor of Arts in Event Management, Jessie Probert. The Bachelor of Arts in Hotel and Hospitality Management, Daniel Cummins. Alice Hochmal. Ashley Jones. Thomas Richards. Samir Shandal. Bogdan Teodorescu. The Bachelor of Arts in Human Resource Management, Fatin Arman Ali. Fahana Begum. Whitney Brown. Gabrielle Daniels. Jamie Evans. Madeleine Farrell. Shanice Goulburn. Sarah Louise Griffiths. Grace Hurley. Hayley Jones. Amelia Kirk. Hodo Abdi Mohammed. Jack Robert Osborne. The Bachelor of Arts in International Business, Andrea Bello Barbito. Delanga Priyanath Gunathilaki Disanayaki Mudiyan Salege. The Bachelor of Arts in Marketing, Lily Davis. The Bachelor of Arts in Public Services, Thomas Barnett. Leila Ellie Barrett. Jake Carthew. Georgia Duval. Anna Edwards. Terry Ellaway. Joseph Evans. Stacey Granell. Tammy Jones. Owen Kinman. Erin Rose McGinn. Alfie Morrison. Liam Price. Kobe Taylor. Amy Thomas. The Bachelor of Science in Logistics, Procurement and Supply Chain Management, Olamide John Ajibade. Matthew Ulysses Alonso. David Lloyd Davis. Luke Evans. Boyuan Han. David Kamani. Alistair John MacDonald. Kunle Omaluju. Tristan Painter. Matthias Pierzynski. Naiwen Shi. Zhenyi Wu. Hanyu Zhu. Haotsei Zhang. Yujun Zhao. The Bachelor of Science in Marketing Management, Fionn Barnett. Olivia Chatfield. Lauren Corton. Emily Haskins. Andrea Lakova. Nicole Kudzai Mandamika. Liam Gareth Parker. Issam Shamiri. The Bachelor of Science in Sociology, Katie Brosnan. Karen Ford. Veronica Gayer-Virksova. Georgina Meek. Scheherazade Tida Powell. Jessica Whedon. Higher National Diploma in Public and Emergency Services, Coleg Gwent Torfaen, Rebecca Bell. Morgan Herditch. Sophie Pinch-Jones. Liz Simpson. The Award of Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, Alex Spencer. The Master of Business Administration, Madhusha Rubasing Gunawardana. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Nusrat Zahan. The Master of Business Administration, Xu Min Huang. The Master of Business Administration, Takasika Kenisha Angomwale. The Master of Science in Strategic Procurement Management, Alexander Dalton. The Master of Business Administration, Genevieve Cesar Lim. The Master of Business Administration, Jamil Santos Mendado. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Imran Hussain. The Master of Science, Engineering Management, Wajid Ali. The Master of Business Administration, Constant Kalimo. The Master of Science in Management, Montserrat Yotundi Jokesh Sunumi. The Master of Business Administration, Harshalal Prabhath Somasiri Sinharawara Chige. The Master of Business Administration, Christine Joy Sion. The Master of Business Administration, Renalyn Alino Reyes. The Master of Science and Engineering Management, Halima Anwar. The Master of Science in Management, Vishakha Suresh Iyer. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Marketing, Gower College, Swansea, Julia Chifari. The Master of Science in Management, Faya Subaya. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Accounting and Finance, Oralua Damilola Oweje. The Master of Science in Project Management, Obianuju Mary Francis Okonkwo. The Master of Science in International Business and Enterprise, Oluwatoyin Ayokunle Oloyeye. The Master of Business Administration, Farheen Rashid. The Bachelor of Arts in International Business, Mohammed Akif Hussain. The Bachelor of Science in Logistics, Procurement and Supply Chain Management, Mohammed Adeen. The Master of Business Administration in Global Supply Chain, Rahul Machiatul Radhakrishnan. The Bachelor of Arts in Business Management, Essam Ibrahim. The Master of Science in International Business and Enterprise, Moyowa Olamide Ogunlaye. The Master of Science in Project Management, Ridian Adebayo Alao. The Bachelor of Arts in Business and Management, Soni Magar. The Master of Business Administration, Bodhi Abuje Srinath Kaushal Pereira. The Master of Business Administration, Gayan Iranga Kalupahan. The Master of Business Administration, Chandima Jayakrishna Kangamagi. The Master of Business Administration in Global Finance, Dinesh Murashetty. The Certificate of Higher Education in Human Resource Management, Kirsty Fody. The Master of Business Administration in Global Marketing, Dos Mohammed. the Master of Business Administration and Global Finance, Nimali Dilrukshi Gunawadana Wijasarawa Achilaji. The Master of Business Administration, UNICAF, Salah Uddin Abdul Rauf Abu Mullah. The Master of Business Administration in Global Human Resource Management, Rajib Boidia. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. Graduation is always an occasion for very formal academic ceremony. But more significantly, perhaps, for all of you in the audience, it is a moment of great pride. Indeed, for parents, partners, and friends here today, it is also a moment of great emotion, especially today, after we've been through everything with the global pandemic. Everyone on this stage shares your pride in our new graduate success. I would also like to take a moment to recognise that our graduates did not achieve this success entirely alone. Sitting in the audience today are the people who they relied upon implicitly for support, encouragement, and understanding as they tackled the challenges of their degree in what only can be described as unprecedented times. I'm sure that you will agree with me when I say they deserve a warm round of applause. For each and every one of us on the stage, today is the high point of the university year, and one we have missed. I want to pay tribute to the nearly 3,000 staff of this great university. They too have played their part, teaching, mentoring, feeding, supporting, counselling, encouraging, being there when needed. Bringing about student success is what my colleagues are all about. Therefore, I believe they too deserve our acknowledgement of and appreciation for the part they played. However, primarily today is a celebration of you, our new graduates, and of your achievements. We know from long experience that the higher education this university provides is highly valued by employers, and the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is justifiably a source of gratification. However, we are equally proud of our impact in transforming individual lives through education, training, and knowledge. We strongly believe that USW nurtures citizens who, as they go out into the world, can and will play a constructive role in public life. You have the ability to think critically, to subject assertions to robust analysis, to explore difficult or contentious issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation. Crucial skills in any walk of life. You also have amazing resilience and commitment to have studied and achieved throughout a global pandemic, which has altered our lives in so many ways. These are timeless values. They are fundamental to USW. We hope they are now your values too, as scholars and graduates of our university. All of you, as alumni of the University of South Wales, are now ambassadors, both for the university itself and for what we strive to achieve. Well done, all of you, and our warmest, best wishes go with you for your continued success. Thank you. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. I now invite you all to stand for the national anthem.